Hey Rebels, welcome back to my channel. My name is Masako Mutsuga. You guys are watching RWS, which is Randoms with Shades, and moi, am Shades the Rebel. I'm so excited to be back and back with something new. I know it is currently 8 a.m. if you're watching this at the time that I posted this. It's currently 8 a.m. and every day I'm going to be posting a video and we're going to be learning something. So this is the channel where we learn, create, and sew. So if you are interested in anything fashion, in how to sew, anything that you're interested in when it comes to clothing, this is definitely the channel that you want to watch. So let's get into the video. So new things to expect on this channel is that I will be posting every single day, Monday to Friday at 8 a.m. There's so much that I've learned in the past year that I'd actually like to share with you guys, and that is the reason why I'm going to be posting every single day. It is the 1st of March, so definitely from the 1st until the 30th or the 31st of March. Actually, Monday to Friday, I'm going to be posting, not every day. No, Monday to Friday, I'm going to be posting. And I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video where I will be sharing with you guys all the things that I have learned. And I hope that you guys are going to be learning in the process. So, what are we doing this week? This week, I'm going to be showing you guys my sewing process, what it takes for me to sew a garment. Now, I'm not speaking about like creating a range or whatever, but in a case that you know how to sew and you make extra money through sewing garments for people, what is the process that it takes for you to make that garment? I'm going to be showing you guys exactly that in this week. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy it. So I'm going to take you guys through the process in this video. What are the steps? And expect to learn more about these steps during the course of the week. First things first, what you need to know is that it is different for every designer or every seamstress how they sew and their process. This is only because as you learn more about sewing and as you develop your skills, you will find better ways of doing things. And also, depending on what kind of school or institution that you went to learn how to sew, you actually probably might stick to those things that you learned or better them. So yeah, so I'm going to say what I do is definitely something that is more comfortable for me at the moment. I am still looking for ways to better it and do things a lot quicker because I won't say I'm a bit slow, but I am a bit slow. So let's get into the process. So to get into the process of what it takes to make a garment, it takes for me to make a garment. What I do is I first think about what my need is. So this week we're going to be making a top for me. If you don't know, I did get rid of most of my clothes last year and I don't have much to change through the week. And because I've actually started like being serious and working for real, I actually wake up in the morning and prepare myself to come to the office and work. I actually want to feel like I'm not at home, I'm working. So really coming up with outfits that aren't so loungewear and home vibes is a bit difficult because I don't have much. So the first thing that I do is I make a couple of rough sketches. Now, I'm not good at drawing. You don't even need to know how to draw perfectly in fashion. If you are someone who's interested in studying fashion design, all you need to know is draw a proper and perfect technical drawing or a flat. This is going to be very helpful for your pattern maker as well as your garment constructioneer. That is not a word. But as well as for the seamstress who's going to be sewing. So you need to just be able to draw a proper outlook of what you want or what you expect from that garment that you want. So I'm not very good at drawing. I don't draw freehand. I use a croquis to make my sketches. So that's the first step that I do. The next step that I do is from those sketches, I pick one that I like, my favorite out of that. And then from there onwards, I draw it properly and make a proper technical drawing or flat. And the reason for this is only because when it comes to sewing, sometimes if you don't draw all the details and everything that you need, you actually end up doing what you actually weren't meant to do, which is okay because that is also a different process when it comes to sewing. Sometimes things change and that's just the way it is. So that's what I do next. The third thing that I do after drawing a proper technical drawing is I make my pattern. So we all know what a pattern is. If you don't know, I'll link it up here. That is what a pattern is. So I will be taking you guys through the process of making the pattern for this top that I want to make. And then the next thing is going to be the cutting and the construction of the drawing. That's the fourth thing. And yeah, guys, that's how simple it is. At the end, guys, what I do is, this is still part of the process, is I take a picture of the garment and place it or stick it next to the technical drawing, and then just write a little bit of notes, different notes, about what the problems were, what I could have done differently, and everything like that. And I keep the patterns. And this is only because next time, if I want to make or remake that very same top, I want to know what I failed at doing and where I can improve and all of those things. So it's really a simple process. I hope to see you guys once again tomorrow at 8 a.m. Tuesday morning. I hope you're gonna be ready and ready to learn. So my name is Masahiro Motogai. You guys were watching Randoms with Shades, where we learn, create, and so until tomorrow, bye.